Hello, this is Dr. Mears. Today we're going to be writing inequalities for word problems, showing the work, the solution, the graph, and then what it means. So we learned how to read, reread, and annotate, and when we did, we used the same exact problem. So I'm going to be rereading, and annotating this problem again. Allie has at most $45 to spend on her friend's birthday gifts. She already bought her a $15 yoga ball. Write an inequality to show how much she can still spend on her friend's gift, then solve the inequality and graph the solution. Rereading it, Allie has, at most, $45 to spend on her birthday gift. She already bought her a $15 yoga ball. Write an inequality to show how much she can still spend on her friend's birthday gifts. Then solve and graph the solution. So, what we're going to be doing is annotating. At most is going to be less than or equal to, because she cannot go over her total amount, which is her $45. She already bought her a $15 yoga ball, which means we're going to add 15 to our remaining amount that we can actually spend. Write an inequality so we know we're going to be using one of these symbols to show how much, which we don't know, that's going to be our variable, she can still spend on her friend's gift. Then solve the inequality so we know we're going to be getting x is less than or equal to some amount. And graph the solution, we know we're going to be making a graph. And that's all right here for you. So let's write the inequality. It presents itself here because we have a variable, x. We have how much we must add to that remaining amount because we already bought the yoga ball. So this is the remaining amount. We know we're going to have to add $15. We're going to be using the less than or equal sign because we're not going to be going over the total of 45. So annotating really helps here because it helps to set up this equation. Okay, total, and you can even put total 45. Little arrow 45. Okay. Now for our work, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to solve. So in my annotating, I know I'm going to be getting x by itself. So I'm going to subtract 15 both sides of this inequality. X is less than or equal to 30. So here I have my x less than or equal to 30, meaning I can spend 30 or I can spend less than 30. So that is my solution. X is less than or equal to 30. And now I must graph it. When I graph it, I'm just going to put 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34, and then 29 and 28. And since this is a less than or equals to, I'm going to be having a closed circle. Remember, it can be equal to 30, but it's going to be also less than, so I can spend $28, or I can spend 27, or I could spend 30. It just has to be less than, which is why my arrow is going to be going towards the left. What does the solution mean to the inequality? No, sorry. What does the solution to the inequality mean? Read that backwards. I had to reread it. So what this means is that Allie can spend $30 or less on the gift. And this is what I'm looking for. I am looking for the $30 or less. If you just say $30, that's going to be only half credit because remember, these are inequalities. They have more than one answer. So you do have to tell me $30 or less on the birthday gift. This has been Inequalities, One Step. Hopefully it helped. Thank you.